Hi guys, Dr. B here. So this is just a quick review, a recap of what Lewis dot structures are and how to do them. Remember that Lewis dot structures are actually based on the number of valence electrons, which are found on the outermost shell, outermost shell / orbit. The valence electrons are involved in reactions, and they are the ones that are lost or gained or shared when bonds are formed. And we'll get into the more detail with that later on. So Lewis dot structure, remember, like I said, is based on the number of valence electrons. So for example, alkali metals, that is one valence electron. Alkaline earth metals, 2 valence electrons. And then as you go across, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, except for, noble gases, which is, except for helium, which has 2 valence electrons, while the rest have 8. The transition metals, that number just depends on how many electrons you have to be lost based on the charge or the oxidation number. So really quick, let's look at it this way. So alkali metals, so let's do like this. Something to this effect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So let's look at, elements that are over here. In the noble gases, except for helium, which is right there, they have 8 valence electrons. So for example, argon would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Helium would be 1. So 1, 2. Alkali metals, so like sodium, potassium, etc. So K would be 1. Sodium is 2. Alkaline earth metals, so right next to it, that would be something like calcium. 1, 2. Here, the transition metals, that just depends on what the charges or the oxidation numbers are. So boron on the third, this one right here, would be 1, 2, 3. Carbon is 1, 2, 3, 4. Nitrogen, which is here, would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Based, remember, on the number of valence electrons. Oxygen would be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That would be right there. And number 7. So 7 valence electrons, those are the halogens. So for example, fluorine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Another one would be like bromine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so any questions on that, please let me know.